What do you call your board game, Ate Jody?
Right here we have the start, and here we have the end.
Because today is no internet day for the Jolly, Ate Jody and Ate Ollie. So they made a board game. What do you call your board game, Ate Jody?
CLOUDTOPIA.
CLOUDTOPIA?
Yeah.
Let's take a look of your CLOUDTOPIA board game made by Ate Jody. Okay, Ate Jody, you have to explain to Ollie how to play your board game.
Okay. So what you need to play is a dice and game pieces. So my game pieces are a star,
Yes.
a moon,
Okay.
and a sun. So we have the starting line, the starting point, and here the ending point. And in between the ending and the starting point, there are lots of clouds, 3 ridges, and power-ups and power-downs.
What's your power-ups and power-downs?
So we have go forward clouds, go back clouds, go back to start clouds, and flash clouds. So the flash clouds are actually time travel into the future.
How do you know it's flash clouds in your board game?
We renamed it Cross the Bridges Clouds, and beside each Cross the Bridge clouds, it's obviously bridges. If you stop on the Cross the Bridge clouds, you have to go on the bridge that's beside it.
Can you show us how to play the game
Sure.
with Ate Ollie? Yeah? You want to join Ate Ollie to
Yes!
play the game?
Yes!
Let's watch they play the game. Ate Ollie, what did you pick? A moon. So Ate Ollie is a moon and Ate Jody is a star. Okay, let's start the game.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to determine who's going to roll the dice first. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, Ate. Ollie.
This one's on.
We have a winner! It's Ate Jody! That's so fast! Okay, next round!
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, we have a winner! It's Ate Ollie! So the score is 1-1. Okay, let's break the tie for the third round.
Blue. 1, 2, 3. I guess we need one more.
Yeah.
2. Is it here? 1, 2. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go back 3.
1. I'm almost at closing. 1. Go forward 6 clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.
Cross the bridge too. Oh, you always cross the bridge.
2.
Ate, go back. Ate Jody, back to start.
5! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
1.
Let's see if Ate Jody can
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
almost there. Let's see.
1, 2.
No, 1, 2 here.
1! No, I got 1!
Oh, Ate only got 1, so we got the winner. It's okay. Ate Jody. Ate Oli, yay! Good job. Congratulations. Shake hands, Ate. Shake hands. Nice game.